Today we're going to show you how to change a Nissan Maxima Key Fob battery, which we've got right here. These typically take CR2032 or CR2025 batteries, but if you got a Maxima and a key that looks anything like this with 3, 4, or 5 buttons, we're going to show you how to do that. In order to do this, you need to remove the existing key, so you just press up right here, and that allows you to remove the key, and then you're going to open up the key. Now, in order to do this, there's 2 holes on the end right here and here, just little indentations. You're going to put your screwdriver in and you're going to pry. You're not just going to jam it in there, because if you do that, you can damage the key, and we don't want to do that. So you put your screwdriver in, just get the edge in, the tip, and you're going to just pry like so. Just rotate and pry. That's going to open that up, and now you've got access to your Nissan Maxima Key Fob. Now, this one takes a CR2032 battery. It says it right there. But you're also going to see when we remove the battery, it's got the positive side down, the negative side up. So you want to remember that when you put the new one in. And we've got links to these in the description below, the CR2032 or the CR2025 battery, depending on what model your Nissan Maxima is. So in order to do this, all you're going to do is take your cover, you're going to put it back on, bam, like so, and then you're going to take your old key, you're going to throw that back in there, and this is a spare key if you didn't know. If the battery ever dies, you can use this to start the vehicle. So that's what that is for, and that is how you change a Nissan Maxima Key Fob. Now, let me ask you one thing I would really like you to do before you go. Doesn't cost you anything. Please give us that thumbs up or subscribe, because that's going to help more people like you see this video and help them out, help them save a little bit of money, and that's what we're trying to do. Times are tough out there, folks, and we want to keep your car running and help you out in any way we can. So if you help other people by subscribing or giving me a thumbs up or clicking below and writing a comment that this helped you, it's always appreciated, and it helps the algorithm reach more people. So thanks again for watching how to change your Nissan Maxima Key Fob battery. We'll see you next time.